welcome to Tech Captain with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you about new app lock and hide feature of iPhone, which comes in iOS 18 and you don't have to use shortcut app for this. So let's begin the video. For this feature, your iPhone must have updated to iOS 18 Beta 3. Otherwise, you don't get this feature. After updating, you have to come to home screen and long press any application. For example, I am doing it with Instagram. When you do a long press, these type of options appear. Now tap on Require Face ID and make it confirm by placing phone in front of your face. Now app is locked and open only by Face ID. It is opening by Face ID now. And if you want to hide any app, long press the app again. Then tap on Require Face ID O. Now there is second option Hide and Required Face ID A. When you select this option, this app will be hidden and it will not show on the home screen. It is only visible in Settings and App Store, or you can open it through Siri. So this is the new method of hiding and locking apps in iPhone in iOS 18. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.